Twindy Sports in English. Part 1. Football. Football. A game played by kicking a ball into a goal. Example: he plays football every evening. Cricket. Cricket. A game played with a bat and ball. Example: they play cricket in the field. Basketball. Basketball. A game where players throw a ball into a basket. Example: she plays basketball at school. Volleyball. Volleyball. A game where players hit a ball over a net. Example: they play volleyball on the beach. Tennis. Tennis. A game played with a racket and ball. Example: he plays tennis daily. Badminton. Badminton. A game played with a shuttlecock and racket. Example: she plays badminton indoors. Hockey. Hockey. A game played using a stick and ball. Example: he plays hockey with his team. Table tennis. Table tennis. A game played by hitting a small ball on a table. Example: she plays table tennis fast. Baseball. Baseball. A bat and ball game played between two teams. Example: he plays baseball on weekends. Rugby. Rugby. A game played by carrying and passing the ball. Example: they play rugby together. Golf. Golf. A game where players hit a ball into holes. Example: he plays golf in the morning. Swimming. Swimming. A sport done in water. Example: she goes swimming daily. Athletics. Athletics. Sports like running, jumping, and throwing. Example: he takes part in athletics. Gymnastics. Gymnastics. A sport of strength and flexibility. Example: she practices gymnastics. Boxing. Boxing. A fighting sport using gloves. Example: he trains in boxing. Wrestling. Wrestling. A sport where players try to pin each other. Example: they watch wrestling matches. Karate. Karate. A martial art using hands and feet. Example: she learns karate. Taekwondo. Taekwondo. A martial art focused on kicks. Example: he practices taekwondo. Cycling. Cycling. A sport of riding a bicycle. Example: he enjoys cycling. Skating. Skating. A sport done on skates. Example: she likes skating. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe for more English lessons. Check out our other videos to learn more words. See you in the next lesson.